Here's a quick look at how you can wire buckram by machine. So you want your sewing machine to be set on the widest possible zigzag with a long stitch length. And you want to position, you'll form your wire into, this is a straight shape, but for your fascinator you'll need to bend it into a circle or a teardrop or whatever shape it is. Clip it on with these alligator clips and position it so that the wire is running right down the center of the presser foot, so that as it zigzags, my finger's in the way, it zigzags to each side of the wire, and on this side it picks up the buckram, and on this side it might just float out into space. So, for example, for this teardrop sample, you can see I've shaped the wire to be pre-bent and clipped it on here. So I would start zigzagging here, zigzag it on, go up that way. And this sample has already been covered with French elastic as well. So that's your single fold bias tape that you'll clip on there, which have another sample of that. You'll clip it on there. You might need to press it in a curve if it's taking a sharp curve like that so you don't get wrinkles. And I like to cut my French elastic / bias tape with a pinking shear, just so that you don't have a harsh, stark, straight edge there. It sort of acts as mulling. And then you'll stitch it on. In this example, I've used a straight stitch, and in this example, I've used a zigzag. In both cases, it was a contrasting color because I want you to be able to see what I've done. But you should probably sew yours in white so it doesn't bleed through depending on what your cover fabric is. And you'll notice here at this teardrop point, I've mitered that corner so that we have it lying as smooth as possible. And that's how you wire and cover the wire on your fascinator and all other buckram hats that